really excited to share with you that you can start using Google VEO 3.1, the latest version, for free for a limited time as a trial period for 1 month. I just started using it today, so I simply just discovered it, and I thought I'd share this information with you so that everybody is watching this video take advantage and leverage the power of Google VEO 3.1 and start creating, because if you don't, then that means you're going to leave a lot on the table. So like I said, I just started using it today. I'm going to show you what I created so far, and let's just go from the beginning of my chat right here. And that was my first clip. I pretty much created 12 video clips in less than 30 minutes. So it's really quick, and I was able to get high quality videos just like you're seeing right now. So this is my first one about the penguins. I'm not going to play all those, not to bore you with the details. My first one, another one here is with a fighting scene. This is going to be number 3, 4. I even created a cartoon style video. So you can create whatever you want. We know that Google VEO 3.1 is best at realistic footage, whether that's photos or videos. But you can give it a try for the cartoon style, and it's really going to be amazing experience. So here you can see there's another clip right here. And all of those are 12 clips. Now, I'm going to share with you how to get that for free. But first, let me show you how incredible the results are.
I just got the new iPhone, and honestly, it's way faster than I expected. The screen looks amazing. The camera is crazy good.
We finally bought our dream house. The space, the light, everything just feels right. Every bit of the effort was worth it.
You can tell by the quality that the lip sync is realistic, and it looks really awesome, that it just looks natural. It's amazing that these were real people, although this was created using AI. Now, I'm going to create another example right in front of you, aside from the 12 clips that I created early today in less than 30 minutes. So let me show you what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to start with ChatGPT, and I've already asked it to create or write me a motion prompt for a UGC ad where we have a couple of female friends that are, one of them basically sharing her experience buying a new purse. So what I'm going to do is I'll simply just copy the prompt from here, and I'll simply just go back to Google, go into the chat, and simply paste the prompt like so, and hit enter, and then wait for the result. It should not take a couple of minutes, even less than that, because I created 12 clips in less than 30 minutes. So it's really fast being able to create as many videos as you can. Now, I'm not going to say unlimited because I have not tried and I don't know exactly how many videos are you getting. All I know is that this is a free version, a trial period for 1 month, and yet you can get it for as many emails as you can if you like, if you have multiple Gmail accounts. I'm going to show you the way how to sign up and get access to the VEO 3.1 for free. So let's just wait for this clip to be generated, watch it together, and then we move on to showing you the steps.
Wait, is that the new purse you wanted?
Yes, and I'm obsessed. It fits everything, and I use it every day.
It's so you.
Looks amazing, right? And of course, the good news is that each clip is 8 seconds long, which is awesome. And there's no watermark. So take advantage, or like I said, leave a lot on the table. Now, let me show you how you can start using it and gain access for free. All right, so first things first, what you're going to do in order to get access to the free trial, what you want to do is go to google.com. In the search bar, just type in Gemini Business. And then what you want to do next is simply click on the first link that says Gemini Business, like so. You're going to land on the page that's going to ask you for your Gmail account. Once you put in your Gmail account, it's going to sign you up, and then you're going to get access, and it's going to tell you that you have 1 month free trial. So yeah, this is how you gain access to Google VEO 3.1. And by the way, you can also use Nano Banana Pro. So let me show you as soon as you log in, and this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to click on new chat right here. This is how it's going to look like when you log in. It's going to say how many days left and all that. In order to start generating videos or images, what you want to do is simply click on the settings icon right here, or the tool icon. And then from here, you can either choose to generate images with Nano Banana Pro, or simply click on create videos with VEO, as you can see. And all you have to do is simply just paste your prompt in here, hit enter, and then wait for the result. It's as simple as that. This is how you can start using it for free and have fun creating. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And by the way, I do have a tutorial on my channel that basically shows you how you can have access to an all-in-one solution platform that allows you to create all types of videos, including editing, without having to spend hours and hours of work. So if you're interested in learning or watching this tutorial, be sure to check it out in the description or in the comments. I'm also going to leave a link that's going to show up on the top right corner, or it's also going to show up on the end screen. So be sure to watch it and have fun creating.